Deep in the ocean, near a colourful coral reef, lived Stella, a bright orange starfish. Stella wasn't the fastest swimmer or the strongest creature, but she had a special gift. She told the most wonderful stories. Every evening, sea creatures gathered around her to listen, from tiny fish to wise old turtles. One day, a proud dolphin named Dario scoffed at her. "Stories are useless," he said. "Strength and speed are what matter in the ocean." A few days later, a great storm hit the sea. The waves crashed fiercely and many small sea creatures struggled to find shelter. The coral reef shook and panic spread. Stella knew she had to help. She quickly called out, "Listen to my story." The frightened creatures paused. Stella began telling a tale about a hidden cave where sea creatures once found safety during a storm. Inspired, the animals followed her words and found the very cave in her story. It was real. When the storm passed, Dario swam to Stella. "Your stories saved us," he admitted. "Words have power, moral. Stories can inspire, teach, and guide us in unexpected ways. Thanks for watching."